This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
They said it was impossible. Wrong! This is Unitree, and it just broke through every limit you thought existed. No wires, no tricks, no human could do this. But this machine? It's rewriting the laws of physics, one jump at a time, 5 meters per second. That's not walking, that's hunting. Watch it tear through terrain that would cripple a mountain goat. 100 kilograms of human, bouncing, jumping, crushing down on 37 kilograms of pure titanium will. It doesn't even flinch. Walls? What walls? This beast climbs 1 meter barriers like they're speed bumps. But here's the terrifying part. It sees everything. Ultra-wide LIDAR means it knows where you are before you know where you are. Fall down? Get back up? Try falling down a mountain and bouncing back like it's a trampoline. Those stairs that make you gasp for air? Child's play. It flows up them like liquid lightning. Your pizza delivery guy can't do this. Rain, snow, earthquakes, this machine delivers when the world falls apart. 12.55 kilometers, 30 kilograms of cargo, 3 hours, 8 minutes. Most humans would collapse. Most machines would die, but legends? Legends just keep running. Oh, you thought we were done? Boom! Wheels when you need speed, legs when you need power. It's not just evolution, it's revolution. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is your new reality. While you're watching this video, this machine is already 3 steps ahead, carrying your future on its back. Every impossible delivery, every death-defying rescue, every moment when humans need more than human, this is your answer. The world just changed. Did you feel it? That's the sound of impossible becoming inevitable. Don't just watch the future happen, grab it. Smash that subscribe button like our robot smashed through that glass. Visit Unitree now, because tomorrow this technology will be everywhere, and you'll either be riding the wave or drowning in it.